So the essay structure is the same for all of the essays except for the body part. The introduction and the conclusion will remain the same for all the essays. Paraphrase the topic. Summary. This is an agree-disagree essay, so here it asks for your opinion. So you have to give your opinion. I strongly believe, I firmly believe, according to me, give your opinion. Then body para 1. So here, both the body paragraphs are discussing about agreement only. Therefore, this is a 100% agreement essay. Right? So for all the essays, the first line, the introduction will be the same. The conclusion will also be the same. The introduction, the summary that you have written over here, which is nothing but the opinion, should be stated again. Whenever any essay asks for your opinion, the opinion must be stated at two places. First in the introduction, and again when you end your essay in the conclusion. Okay. Along with that, take the main idea of the first para, take the main idea of the second para, and summarize both of these in the conclusion para. Okay. So introduction and conclusion are going to be the same for all the essays. The advantage, disadvantage essay now. So here again, paraphrase the topic and the summary. You can remember this as your summary and you can use it for all the essays. I mean all the advantage, disadvantage essays. Okay. So there are few disadvantages related to this, but it also has some disadvantages. Discuss the advantages. So here you have to discuss two advantages, as I said, and here you have to discuss two disadvantages. Now in the conclusion, what you will do is, you will restate this summary in some other words. Don't use the same words. Okay, paraphrase the words. And with 1 point from each side. So what you will do is, you have written two advantages over here. Take one advantage from this. Take one disadvantage from this. And summarize both of them in the conclusion paragraph. Remember that conclusion is always a reflection of your body. Of your body paras. See the structure of both views plus opinion essay. So as we discussed yesterday, that the introduction and conclusion remains the same for all the essay types, which is paraphrase the question, state your summary. This essay asks for our opinion, so the opinion should be mentioned in the first paragraph itself. Now I believe that is your 70% side. So write your 70% side first. If you are saying like you are on this, if you are taking a 70-30 stand, let's say you are discussing, you want to discuss both the sides. I mean, you are agreeing to both the sides. Okay. So, but you are less agreeing to one side and you are more agreeing to one side. In that case, here you should mention the, first you should mention the side you are more inclined towards, that is your 70% side. I believe, and the 70% side. And after the but, you should discuss, you should write the point of 30% side. Okay, the point that you are less inclined towards. Then your body paragraph, the side you are more inclined towards should be discussed first. Okay, you can also take a 100% stand, that is I agree with this view and I don't agree with this view, with the other view, right? 100% agreement with one, 100% disagreement with the other. Like if you say that I agree to this view, it definitely means that you are not agreeing with the second one, right? Then discuss the other view and then summarize the main ideas of these paragraph, whatever the reasons that you have given. Take 1 point from this para, 1 point from this para, and summarize the two in the conclusion paragraph. Now discuss both views without opinion. We just need to take out the opinion. The structure has to be the same as this one, but here in the summary, you will not write your opinion. You will just paraphrase the topic and then you will just write what you are going to discuss in your body paragraphs, which is known as the outline statement. Okay. Then discuss the first view, discuss the second view. Since there is nothing called favored view over here because our opinion is not asked, so we will simply, being neutral, discuss both the views. That's it. In the conclusion, summarize the main ideas or 1 point from this side. Why do you, like whatever you have written for your first view, just take that 1 point from that, 1 point from this para, and summarize both of them in the conclusion. Next, the problem solution. Paraphrase the question, the summary. This you can remember as your summary for all the problem solution essays. Although there are a few problems related to this, there are also adequate solutions. Then discuss the problems. So you have to discuss 2 problems in this para and 2 solutions in this para. Okay, solutions of these 2 problems in this paragraph. Okay, and in the conclusion paragraph, what will you do is, so here in this para you have written 2 problems. You will take 1 problem from this para, and here you have written 2 solutions to these 2 problems. Out of the 2 solutions, so you will take a problem solution pair. You will take a problem and the solution of that problem from this para, and then you will summarize both of them in the conclusion. So 1 problem along with its, okay, so restate the summary, which is this one, with 1 problem and its solution. 1 problem from the para 1 and its solution from the para 2. Now the double question. Paraphrase the topic, the summary. So this is simplest in terms of the structure that it follows, because there are 2 questions that are given to you. You just need to answer those 2 questions in your essay. Answer the first question in the first body para, answer the second question in the second body para. That's it. Okay, so paraphrase the topic, write your summary. What will you write in the summary? Whatever you are going to discuss in the body paras, just write that in 1 line in the summary. Okay, and then take 1 point that you have written over here with 1 point from this para, and summarize these 2 in the conclusion paragraph. That's it. Okay, along with the restatement of the summary. So one thing that you must have seen by now, that the conclusion and introduction remains the same for all the essay.